大家好 Hello, hello, всем привет, 皆さんこんばんは Welcome back to Naiwen Chinese, I'm Mia. In today's episode, let's take another sunset time walk after rain. Let's get started, shall we? Now it's about 6 p.m., temperature 25 degrees, humidity around 80%. Wow, it's been raining for a couple of days, actually, quite heavily after a rather long break of no rain. So that's why I didn't do any rain walk at all. But today I'm here again full of fresh air and humidity and beautiful scenery after rain, as always. Let's start with this angle. Hey birdie. A lot of cumulus clouds. I want to follow this bird for a while. Okay, more birds are joining in. But yeah, still kind of, right, sky looks gray. The bottom part is less heavy. And from this angle, the sky is also mainly covered by a lot of gray clouds. Now the sun sets much earlier than in August, so around 6 p.m. already is the sunset time compared to 7. And here we have willows on the left-hand side, a very lush one. A rather peaceful river. And there are some white fluffy clouds on the right side behind the trees. You see that? Well, now it's about 6:20. As you can see, the sky is getting darker and darker any minute after 6. I think we still have a little bit of blue hour vibes going on. I'm just walking around along this river here. Let myself be washed by the humid air. Just take my time. I found this angle and the cloudscape is so beautiful. Like this scattered clouds, the snowy white ones. And the combo with these huge blue-gray cumulus. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Naiwen Chinese. Hit the like button and leave a comment. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.